we're going to write equations of a line given different things. So this first one, write a line that is parallel to this. So I'm going to focus on the slope of that equation is 2. So if I need something parallel to that, I need the exact same slope. And it passes through -4, 5. So remember, we only need two things to write an equation of a line. We need a slope and we need a point, and now we have both. So let's go ahead and fill it into the equation. Y equals the slope, x, and the opposite of x, because remember this is my x term, and then my y term. So from here, I'm going to distribute. So I have 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. Bring everything else down. So my equation is y equals 2x plus 13. Let's try one more. This time, I need a line perpendicular to the line given. Well, can I tell what the slope is right now? And the answer is no. So I'm going to have to put this into slope-intercept form to find the slope. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 8x. So I have 2y equals -8x plus 14. Divide by 2. And y equals -4x plus 7. Okay, so a lot of times it's easier if I make it a fraction. To be perpendicular to this line, my slope has to be the opposite, so it needs to be positive 1/4, and the line is 10, -2. So the next step is I'm going to plug it into the equation. Y equals 1/4 x, and the opposite of x, and the y value. So let's go ahead and distribute. 1/4 x minus 10/4 minus 2. So here I'm just going to use my calculator to help me out. And I'm going to say parentheses -10/4 minus 2. Turn that into a fraction. And my final solution is y equals 1/4 x minus 9/2. And that's my final answer. Just know if you get fractions in your answer, it doesn't mean they're wrong. More often than not, you're going to have fractions, but I think what we do in our math books is make it come out even so it seems easier. So if you get a fraction, it's okay.